Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact Maxx Power Saver model and firmware, because setup varies by revision. Once confirmed, power down the main breaker so you can safely connect the unit to the designated outlet and attach the load lines. While the physical hookup happens, take a baseline energy reading, either your meter or a 1-week bill to compare later. Make sure to note voltage and peak times. After re-energizing the circuit, watch the LED sequence for successful boot and initial calibration. Now you configure parameters that determine how the device optimizes power. Press and hold mode for 5 seconds, then use up and down to set voltage range, select load type, resistive for heaters or inductive for motors, and confirm grid phase. Once options are stored, initiate auto-calibrate. The unit samples reactive and apparent power to compute correction profiles. Let it stabilize for 24 to 48 hours so algorithms adapt to daily usage patterns. To finish, you observe performance and confirm savings. After 7 to 14 days, compare the post-install energy data to your baseline and confirm power factor improvement on the device display. Enable scheduled or ECO modes if your usage pattern benefits from timed adjustments, and lock settings to prevent accidental changes. If expected savings do not appear, check wiring integrity, ensure firmware is current, and verify load compatibility. Inductive-heavy households may need extra correction. If persistent issues occur, reset to factory defaults and repeat calibration before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.